Good morning, my online students. Good afternoon, my online students. Good evening, my online students. Depending on where you are listening from, I have come back to continue from where we stopped in our last class. Remember, we started from the structure of an atom, and I'm advising you, for those of you that have not watched the video is on my Facebook page, the video is on my TikTok page, the video is on my YouTube, is on my Facebook, is on my Facebook wall. Do yourself a favor to go and watch the video. It will help you. And you will learn at least one or two things. Because there was a question I asked in that my lesson. I asked, why do we say an atom is a neutral entity? So go and watch it. So today, we are going to continue with structures of some atoms. Remember what I told us in our last class, that an atom is just a cycle with a dot at the center. And that the first atom is the hydrogen atom. This is the hydrogen atom. And we can authoritatively say that it is the smallest atom. It is the smallest atom because it has only one electron, one proton. Though hydrogen is an isotope, it has two, three isotopes. It is another topic for another day. So this is the structure of an atom. And I equally remember that we mentioned something like atomic number and mass number. During the course of my explanations here, I will try as much as possible to explain what atomic numbers and mass numbers are. So this is the structure of an atom. As you can see, it has only one, the dot at the center with a cycle, and an electron revolving around the nucleus. Revolving around the nucleus. So hydrogen has only one atom, one proton, and one electron. So that since it has only one proton, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. That's the atomic number of hydrogen. Then the second element is helium. Remember, helium is a noble gas. Helium is an inert gas. Helium is a non-reactive element. It doesn't take part in any chemical reaction. We'll still come to that during the course of our explanations, like I said earlier. So helium has 2 electrons revolving around the nucleus. So the atomic number of helium is 2. It also has 2 protons. So the atomic number is 2. Then I intentionally included one that has 1 electron and one that has 2 electrons. The innermost shell of an atom contains maximum of 2 electrons. Let us have this at the back of our minds. The innermost shell, this is the shell that is closest to the nucleus, is the one we refer to as the innermost shell. If you don't call it the innermost shell, remember what I called it the other day, you call it the K shell. It is also called the K shell. It contains maximum of 2 electrons. Here is 1. Here is 2. Once you fill in 2 electrons there, don't do any other thing. You need to draw the next shell. Lithium is the third element. It has 3. It has 3 as its atomic number. If you look what I did here, I have drawn the 2 electrons revolving around the nucleus, and I added another energy level. And after adding that energy level, I included the third electron that will complete it 3. So lithium has 3 atomic numbers. Some will tell you that atomic number is the total number of protons or the total number of electrons present in an atom. Remember what I told us in our last class. If you have 10 electrons, you'll also have 10 protons, and both of them will cancel each other out. And that is why an atom is a neutral entity. So atomic number can as well be defined as the total number of electrons or protons which an atom contains. Then after the one, this lithium, which has 2 energy levels or 2 shells, I increase it to 1, 2, 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is the 12th element. It has atomic number 12. This is the closest shell, the shell that is closest to the nucleus. It has only 2 electrons revolving around it. After that, you have the second shell. The maximum number of electrons which the second shell contains is 8. It's 8. Here is 1. One is here, but I've included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you fill in the 8 electrons in the second shell, you are to draw another shell. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The atomic number of magnesium is 12, meaning that it has 12 electrons and 12 protons. Remember, the protons are located in the nucleus. That is where the protons are located. Then I also increase the shells to 1, 2, 3, 4. Calcium is the 20th element. It has an atomic number of 20, meaning that there are 20 electrons and 20 protons. If you count it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Completing it. The second shell, the third shell, they contain maximum number of 8 electrons. You move. Then, these are the valency electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the valency electrons. Those electrons that are in the outermost shells of elements or atoms, and they take part in chemical reactions. I have tried as much as possible to explain how electrons are located around the nucleus of an atom, around in the shells of an atom. And I have equally explained what atomic number is. In our next class, we are going to talk about the mass number of atoms. Thank you very much. Remember, I am your new chemistry teacher, and my name is Comrade Uche Chukwu Sacramento Okafor. Go to my wall and watch the first class on the simple structure of an atom. It will help you. Remember, like this video, share this video, comment, ask your questions, and they will be answered. They will be answered. So this topic is the structure of an atom. This is an atom, this is an atom, this is an atom, this is an atom, this is an atom. Atoms are the building blocks of elements, and elements are the building blocks of compounds. We'll continue. Thank you, and may God bless you. Remember to read your books, do your revision. The assignment I've given to you, do it. The next assignment I'm going to give you is for you to draw the structure of potassium. Draw the structure of potassium and tell me the atomic number of potassium. Thank you very much. See you in my next class. Bye.